How to install and play Valorant on PC. So first you want to open up your browser and navigate to play Valorant, or type play Valorant like this. And now click on the first link and set the language. So for example, you request English. Now you want to click on play for free and choose your platform. So in this case, PC. Now, if you have a Riot account already, maybe from League of Legends or from other Riot games, you can sign in. Otherwise, you can create a new account. So I'm going to sign in this case. And after signing in, you should be taken to this page where you can click on download the game to start downloading the Riot Games launcher. And once the launcher is downloaded, you want to click on install right here and wait for it to install the Riot Games launcher. Now, before you will be able to play Valorant, you might need to enable your TPM 2.0 and secure boot if you are on Windows 11, and secure boot if you are on Windows 10, but you must update to the latest version of Windows 10. And if you are on Windows 11, these should be enabled by default, unless if you disabled them for some reason. Now, once the launcher is installed, you might need to sign in. You can also click on install and choose a location where to install Valorant, and as well as the language. And you want to enable auto updates, click on install, and it should start installing the game. And once it starts installing the game, you can then sign in or log into your account, and you should see Valorant is pending download right here. And once it's done, you want to select Valorant from here and click on the play button, and then it should launch the game, and then you can start playing. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.